Imagine if the next 60 seconds could completely transform your financial future. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stay with me, because I'm about to share a powerful secret that Deepak Chopra and other spiritual gurus have used for years to unlock the flow of abundance. This isn't just some manifestation buzzword or another money-making hack. There's a little-known prayer that's been circulating in spiritual circles for generations. It's short, it's simple, but it's incredibly potent. And here's the kicker. It's meant to be kept to yourself. Hello, and welcome back to Power of Thought. Today, we're going to dive deep into something that could completely shift your financial life. I know you've probably seen a lot of videos on manifesting wealth, but this is something different, much deeper. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or complex financial strategies. This is about tapping into the universal flow of abundance using nothing but your mind and your words. This practice is simple, but don't mistake that for being ineffective. The prayer I'm about to share isn't about asking the universe for money or begging for wealth. It's about aligning your energy with the natural flow of prosperity that is already present around you. It's been here the whole time, just waiting for you to tune into it. But here's the key. You can't share this prayer with anyone else. It's meant to be your personal, sacred connection to the universe's wealth of abundance. Are you ready to learn how to shift your financial destiny in just 60 seconds a day? Let's get started. Before we dive into the actual prayer, let's first talk about preparing your environment. Think of this as creating a sacred space, much like setting the stage for a spiritual or transformative ritual. Your external environment is a reflection of your internal state. When you clear and prepare a space with intention, you signal to both your subconscious mind and the universe that you're serious about receiving abundance. This isn't just about finding a quiet spot. It's about creating an environment that resonates with the energy of wealth, peace, and tranquility. Start by choosing a place where you feel completely at ease. This could be a cozy corner in your living room, your bedroom, or even a peaceful spot in your garden. The key is to find somewhere you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. The more serene and calm the location, the better. Now prepare this space. Clear away any clutter or distractions, anything that represents chaos or disorder. Your external environment is deeply connected to your mental and emotional state, so creating a space that feels organized and tranquil will help you feel more focused and clear-headed. Consider adding elements that evoke feelings of abundance and peace. For some, this might be a lit candle, soft background music, or a small plant. You could even incorporate symbols of wealth, like a gold coin or a gemstone, that represent prosperity to you. These items aren't magic themselves, but they help put your mind into the right frequency for receiving abundance. Now that your space is prepared, let's move on to preparing your mind and body. The physical and mental state you bring to this practice is just as important as the prayer itself. 1. Physical posture. Sit or stand in a comfortable position where you feel both relaxed and alert. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth, allowing each exhale to release any tension or stress you might be carrying. This process is about getting present, so let go of anything from the past or future that might be weighing on your mind. As you breathe, imagine you're inhaling golden light, the energy of prosperity and abundance. Let this golden light fill your body with each breath, spreading throughout your chest, arms, and legs. Let it expand in your mind and heart, filling you with a sense of peace and readiness. 2. Mental clarity. This practice only takes 60 seconds, but to make the most of it, it's important to clear your mind. If you find your thoughts drifting to daily worries or to-do lists, gently bring your focus back to the present moment. This is your time. These 60 seconds are dedicated to shifting your mindset toward abundance. 3. Set your intention. Before you begin the prayer, take a moment to set a clear intention. What do you hope to achieve? This intention will guide the energy of your prayer. Your intention could be something like, I am open to receiving abundance in all forms, or I am aligning myself with the infinite prosperity of the universe. Your intention acts as a beacon, directing the flow of energy toward your goals. Now, let's dive into the heart of this practice, the 60-second prayer that has the potential to transform your financial reality. Here is the prayer. Divine abundance flows through me. I am open to receiving prosperity in all forms. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of financial freedom and success. Thank you for the abundance already in my life and for the wealth that is on its way. Now let's break it down piece by piece to understand why each part is so powerful. Divine abundance flows through me. This is the foundation of the prayer. It affirms that abundance isn't something you have to chase. It's something that naturally flows through you. You are a vessel for prosperity, and by aligning with this truth, you invite more abundance into your life. I am open to receiving prosperity in all forms. Many of us block abundance unconsciously due to limiting beliefs, feelings of unworthiness, or fear. This line helps you release those blocks and declare your readiness to receive wealth, opportunities, and resources in various forms. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. A lot of people hold the belief that earning money has to be hard, that struggle is a necessary part of financial success. This line challenges that belief and reprograms your mind to accept that money can come with ease, without resistance or hardship. I am worthy of financial freedom and success. Worthiness is a huge barrier for many people when it comes to wealth. This line is a powerful affirmation that reinforces your inherent deservingness for financial success and freedom. It helps you dismantle any deep-seated beliefs that you aren't deserving of abundance. Thank you for the abundance already in my life and for the wealth that is on its way. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for attracting more of what you want. By thanking the universe for what you already have, you shift into a state of abundance. You're also expressing faith that even more wealth is coming, further opening yourself up to receiving. While saying the words of this prayer is powerful on its own, to truly supercharge its effects, you need to combine it with visualization. As you recite each line, picture in your mind what financial abundance looks and feels like for you. Here are some visualization ideas. Imagine yourself logging into your bank account and seeing a balance that far exceeds your expectations. See those numbers rising and feel the relief and joy that comes with financial security. Picture yourself buying your dream home, car, or treating yourself to a luxury vacation without even worrying about the price tag. Imagine the sense of freedom and happiness that comes with that kind of wealth. Generosity is a key part of abundance. Visualize yourself donating to causes you care about, supporting your loved ones, or surprising a friend with a meaningful gift. Feel the deep satisfaction and joy that comes from using your wealth to uplift others. Here's where the real magic happens. It's not enough to just say the words of the prayer or to picture financial abundance in your mind. You need to feel it. This is where many people miss the mark in manifestation practices. As you say the prayer and visualize, tap into the emotions associated with wealth. Allow yourself to feel the joy of financial freedom. Imagine the lightness in your chest, the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're financially secure. Feel the excitement of new possibilities, maybe booking a spontaneous trip or starting that business you've always dreamed about. Engage deeply with these emotions. Let them fill your body and mind as if this abundance is already your reality. The more intensely you can feel the emotions of wealth, the more powerful this practice becomes. Now that you understand the prayer and how to amplify it, let's talk about how to make it a daily habit. This prayer only takes 60 seconds, but if you commit to doing it every day, you'll begin to reprogram your subconscious mind. You're creating new neural pathways that support a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Over time, this will shift your relationship with money, allowing you to attract more wealth into your life. I recommend doing this practice every day for 21 days straight. Why 21 days? Because it takes about that long to start forming a new habit and to begin seeing shifts in your mindset and life. If this prayer resonated with you, start your 21-day challenge today and see how it transforms your financial mindset. Let me know in the comments what shifts you start to notice, whether it's changes in your financial situation, unexpected opportunities, or even a more positive attitude toward money. Remember, this is your personal, sacred practice, so keep the prayer to yourself. But feel free to share this video with someone you think might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to Power of Thought for more powerful manifestation techniques and spiritual insights. Hit the bell icon so you're notified each time I release a new video. Here's to unlocking your financial abundance and manifesting the wealth you deserve. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay abundant.